This other thing is still in development, but it's the user attribute based filters, which is something we've seen a few requests come in for. So this is just like, I guess a really cool demo would be, I'd have to have set up another user with a different, but so you'll just have to trust me that this is me. It's set to be matches user attribute region, and it's saying that it's my region, California. It's got this filter for California based on user attribute, and then same thing. It works on the dashboard, and we aren't auto completing this drop down because these things generally only set them up like once or twice, and then really it's more about then they sit there and anyone who views the dashboard gets to see their particular data. But yeah, so it's user attribute filters.